But for crypto, the thing was, like I said, all the negative tailwinds went away. So all of the tailwinds with Sailor selling, with Quantum, with the Iran war, all of them were sort of absorbed at these lows down here. And so as soon as we see a range breakout, this is the time to make a play, right? And so all it took was just a little push, and then a bunch of shorts that were complacent got squeezed right that morning when this government buyback was announced. So all it took was some small macro events. Crypto as it is, people are much more retarded, honestly, in this industry. A lot of dumbasses trying to short at the lows after we had so much absorption over the past couple months. But also it's much more liquid, meaning that a small sort of catalyst can actually send the price much more significantly than what you'd expect. And so we made that move all the way up to around 70K as soon as that news happened on Wednesday. And ever since then, right, we've been sort of grinding our way up because we made this range breakout at 67K, right? And so like I said in this sort of post I made in my server, that really all that took was a little push because this market is a little more liquid, and then all the shorts got squeezed and then prices gapped up. And so Bitcoin making this high above the breakout level, and especially because it's a multi-month breakout level, it's very significant, right? I've been talking about my trading system for so long, and really, like I mentioned before, it's about market structure and it's about high time frame support and resistance. That's it. So as you guys know, we've been in a downtrend, right? Making lower highs, lower lows this entire time. So on a high time frame, we're still in a downtrend, right? We're still making lower highs and lower lows this entire way down. But, right, we have a breakout right here. And so I do use high time frame support and resistance levels. And so this has been a level for over 2 months. And anytime we have a multi-month range breakout with strength upon a catalyst, and if you get continuation after that catalyst with bullish market structure with higher highs, higher lows the entire way up, then that's a really good sign of continuation. And so anytime you get that, that's just a clear sign to this left curve. You just have to enter that because it's very asymmetric, right? Anytime you see a multi-month breakout, the longer something has been coiling for, the longer something has been ranging for, the more expansive the breakout is, right? And so anytime you have something like this, where you have clear invalidations, for example, at the lows right here, at New York Open lows, then we can actually set the invalidation somewhere down here, and the trade is very asymmetric for much higher payouts than the potential loss. And so anytime we have that trade, I simply just enter it and ask questions later. And so that's what we got in Bitcoin. That's exactly why I entered positions yesterday, actually. And I basically mentioned how everything still looked really good above this sort of key level right here. And so anytime you see this, right, anytime you're lacking exposure in these things, I think you just have to enter with the invalidations at some local low. And so yesterday it actually made sense to enter not only on the breakout right here, but let's say you missed this exact breakout and you wanted to enter somewhere down here, which is what I did, then the local lows somewhere right here are applicable. So you can enter with the local lows somewhere down here, and you can enter anywhere around here, because I did expect this wick at around 70K, the sort of mini range breakout to happen. And that's exactly what did happen overnight. And we got that move at around 4 in the morning Eastern time. And we've slowly just been creeping up the entire day. Longs are up fucking massively. It's been going crazy.